What if you could invest like a Wall Street pro, without reading 500-page finance books, without staring at confusing stock charts? Today I'm reviewing Sterling Stock Picker, an AI-powered stock analysis platform that claims to remove the guesswork from investing. Let's see if it's actually worth it. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an update. Sterling Stock Picker, also known as SSP, is an award-winning stock-picking software. It helps you discover your personal risk tolerance, get customized stock recommendations, build a done-for-you portfolio, track performance in real time, get AI-powered financial coaching, and yes, it even works with crypto. One of the biggest highlights is Finley AI. This isn't just a chatbot. Finley analyzes your risk tolerance, your portfolio performance, your watch list, market trends, financial and technical data. Then it gives you personalized recommendations. It explains everything in simple language, which is perfect if you're new to investing. It's like having a financial advisor on demand without paying advisor fees. How it works: 3 simple steps. Step 1. Discover your risk tolerance. You answer a quick 13-question survey. It calculates your personal risk number, 1-5 system. No guessing, no confusion. Step 2. Find stocks that match you. The built-in stock screener lets you filter by sector, industry, dividends, growth, market cap, risk category, region, even personal values. You can literally search for stocks aligned with your beliefs. That's rare. Step 3. Build your portfolio. The portfolio builder suggests base portfolio, stable foundation, growth portfolio, accelerate portfolio, higher potential, higher risk. It removes emotional investing and replaces it with structure. Powerful features that stand out. Here's what really impressed me: 60,000 plus stocks and crypto database, real-time stock quotes, 5-star North Star ranking system, stock rockets, stocks with 50% plus earnings growth, weekly live streams with the founder, community stock forum, email and text buy or sell alerts, price target notifications, and it's available on web, Apple App Store, and Google Play. On their website, the annual plan is $243 per year, but on AppSumo, you can grab a lifetime deal for $69. That means 60-day money-back guarantee. That's extremely competitive compared to other investing tools. What could be better? To keep it real, portfolio imports are currently manual. Some smaller markets are still being added, but they're actively expanding and updating the platform. Sterling Stock Picker is perfect for beginner investors, entrepreneurs building long-term wealth, busy freelancers, small business owners, anyone who wants structure instead of guessing. If you already use super advanced trading software for day trading, this may feel more strategy-focused than technical-heavy. My final verdict: is it worth it? If you feel overwhelmed by investing, if you don't know how to evaluate stocks, if you want AI guidance, if you want a structured portfolio system, then Sterling Stock Picker is absolutely worth checking out, especially at the lifetime deal price. If you want to check it out, I'll leave the link in the description. If this review helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest software reviews, and comment below. Are you a beginner investor or experienced? See you in the next video.